Lahti side here today on the 13th of July 2022. We have Jalavakatu, the 5 here in Saksala, one of the suburbs of Lahtis, Finland. And the capacity is 4 per 305 grams, built by Valmet in 1982. It's got to be early 1982. It's turning 40 years old this year in 2022, and it has a beautiful wooden interior. The number is VS6153 with 8 floors, and it will be inspected in 2024. Probably memory. I don't know. Let's see if it has memory. Amazing. We have also filmed some original Valmet elevators in Saksala.
Tittaakin vaikuttaa, että meitä pautissa on nämä script.
But unfortunately, some of those Valmet are of course gone. So we got some that are left.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll go to the building tree if I can later, or if not now, but then later.
That's